Hello everyone, my name is Andrei and welcome to another video. Today we are going to look at how to install Bedrock by Roots on local by FLywheel. So without any further ado, let's go to the computer and see how it's done. First of all, we need to have local installed, local by FLywheel installed, and then we need to have Composer installed. If you don't have Composer installed, you should go to getcomposer.org and follow the instructions there. Okay, so now we need to create a new website and we will call it, let's say we'll call it Bedrock 2 because I already have Bedrock. Okay, we're gonna go with PHP 7.3.5 with Nginx web server and 8.0.16 MySQL version. We go next and we choose a username and password. Okay, add site. Now Bedrock will do its thing and install the website for us. Okay, Bedrock has finished its magic and we have a new website installed. Okay, so let's see the website. I will just drag it here. All the website is working. Okay, and now we should go and install Bedrock. So we will go in the app folder of the website, open the command line, and we'll go and we will write down this command: Composer create project root/bedrock. And now Bedrock will install with the Composer. Okay, now Composer has finished the installation and the next step is to modify the .env file with the database credentials. So let's just go one folder up because we will need this later and open the code editor. Good, here VS Code is open. We should go to the app folder, Bedrock, and find the .env. Okay, here on the database name, database user and database password, we need to put the credentials from local by FLywheel. So we go to the database here and host. We just copy the host is localhost and we should uncomment this line. Then we have database name, which is local, and database username and password, which is root. Okay, now we should save this one. The next thing is that we need to update the Nginx files. So that's why I've opened all of these websites, all of these folders, because we need to go to the config folder, Nginx, and then open the file site.conf.hbs. Here's the file. And this is the line that says to the server where to look for the website. And now we need to copy, and in place of root here, we need to put a path to our web folder in our website, in our Bedrock installation. And we should go to Bedrock and web. And now, if you're on Windows, you just click on web, copy it, and then just put it here. Hit OK. And now the Nginx server has the instructions to look for the WordPress installation in this folder. Next, we can just delete the public folder, just shift delete and enter. And now we need to restart the website. Stop site and start it again. And just for the sake of doing it, we should go and add a new theme in the themes folder. Let's say test theme. We need to add a CSS style.css file and a index.php. Just say okay. Now let's just stop it again, just to be sure, and start it again. Okay, one thing that I forgot to mention is that we need to edit this one, the WP home. We should call it bedrock2.com.local. Okay. Now let's just stop the website and start it again. And now let's go to the website. Okay, here it is, the admin panel. Just log in, not plugins, but themes. We can find our test theme here, so let's just activate it and see our hello world. Hello world. Okay, so this is how you install Bedrock on a local by FLywheel website. I hope you got a ton of value from this video, and if you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more weekly videos like this one. Have a great day.